test drive complete, and I must say, as expected, very much a gorgeous piece of machinery. The guys done an incredible job. It reminded me at times a lot of the 919, because often we could drive this car just on e-motor alone and on the electromobility side. So a lot of what I say is stealth emotion, stealth performance. It's absolutely clearly a Porsche. Looking over the front wheel arches looks like a 918 as well. So ergonomics and the view from side the cockpit is absolutely gorgeous. 600 horsepower, that is something to behold. So I never got sick of the traction areas, so that was absolutely gorgeous. And the driving experience, how dynamic the car was, you don't really feel. Of course, these cars are a little bit heavier, but in general, the steering and the performance, braking agility was a real nice surprise. So thoroughly enjoyed it. I've now driven the Mission E baby, and I'm looking forward to driving it a lot more in the future. Fair to say, as usual, they've done a good job. Yeah, that's going to be a game changer. Game changer there.